Good morning, students. Today we will start the chapter Direct and Indirect Speech. So let's see the difference between direct and indirect speech. What is direct speech? Direct speech involves quoting the exact words of the speaker within inverted commas or quotation marks. And indirect speech, on the other hand, we report the words of the speaker in our own words and does not have to be within quotes. Now let's see some rules to change a sentence from direct to indirect speech. Rule number 1. The inverted comma and comma of direct speech are removed in indirect speech. Rule number 2. The conjunction that is used to join the reporting verb to the rest of the sentence. Now rule number 3. Verb such as said and told, which reports a speaker, are called reporting verbs. Now let's see the example to understand these three rules. Ram said, I have done my duty. This sentence is in direct speech. So when we will convert the sentence into indirect speech, we will follow these three rules. Rule number 1 say that Ram said, we will remove the inverted comma and we will put that. Okay, we have removed these inverted comma and we have put that over here. That is our rule number 2. Ram said that he had done his duty, and we have changed the tense of the sentence into past tense, and we have changed the pronoun also. I we have converted into he, and my we have converted into his. So now what is your indirect speech sentence? Ram said that he had done his duty. Is it clear? Now rule number 4. If the reporting verb is in the present tense, no change in the tense of the reported speech take place. For example, he says she is a nurse. This sentence is in direct speech, and the reporting verb, this says, is in present tense. So what we will do? We will change the sentence into indirect speech, but we will not change the tense of the sentence. So what we have done? He says, remove the inverted comma, and we have put that she is a nurse. So this sentence will be in the present tense only. We will not change the sentence into past tense. Is it clear? Now let's see rule number 5. When the speaker is talking about universal truth, the tense of the sentence does not change. For example, the teacher said the sun is also a star. So what will be your sentence in indirect speech? The teacher said that the sun is also a star. Why we have not converted the tense of the sentence? Because the sun is also a star. This is our universal truth. Is it clear? Now let's study the table to understand the changes in the tense while changing from direct to indirect speech. Your present simple tense will be converted into past simple tense when we are converting direct speech to indirect speech. He said, I want to watch a film. He said that he wanted to watch a film. Present continuous tense will be changed into a past continuous tense. For example, he said Jan is sleeping. He said that Jan was sleeping. Present perfect tense will be converted into past perfect tense. For example, she said, I have bought a new dress. She said that she had bought a new dress. Past simple tense will be converted into past perfect tense. Alexa said, I finished my homework. Alexa said that he had finished his homework. If we talk about future tense will change to would. For example, she said, I will always love Tom. She said that she would always love Tom. Your can will be converted into could. Tom said, I can carry 50 kg. Tom said that he could carry 50 kg. May will be converted into might. Ben said, it may rain. Ben said that it might rain. Must will be converted into had to. He said, everybody must obey the rules. He said that everybody had to obey the rules. Have to will be converted into had to. She said, I have to go home. She said that she had to go home. Now let's see this table to understand the change of pronoun in indirect speech. Let's start. In direct speech, your I will be converted into he when we are converting it into a indirect speech. He said, I like music. When we will convert this sentence into indirect speech, it will be he said that he likes music. We have converted I into he. We will be converted into they in indirect speech. Mike and Tom, we play football. Mike and Tom told me that they played football. We have converted we into they. Your you will be converted into I, she, he, we or they. John, can you see me? John asked me if I could see him. We have converted you into I. And there will be no change into they, she, he or it. It will be same in indirect speech. Let's see some example. She said they have invited us. She said that they had invited us. He said she works in an office. He said that she worked in an office. There is no change over here. They said he does not have the necessary qualifications. They said that he did not have the necessary qualifications. They said it is raining. They said that it was raining. Now let's understand this table to see how we will convert time and place in indirect speech. Indirect speech now will be converted into then in indirect speech. Let's see example. The children are playing outside now. So when we have converted into indirect speech, it will be he said that the children were playing outside then. Now is converted into then. Today will be converted into that day. I have got a piano lesson today. Your sentence, indirect speech sentence will be she said that she had got a piano lesson that day. Here will be converted into there. Put the box here. He told us to put the box there. We have converted here into there. Your this will be converted into that. I shall be very busy this week. Your indirect speech will be she said that she would be very busy that week. Tomorrow will be converted into the following day, the next day or the day after. So let's see the example. I will leave for New York tomorrow. She said that she would leave for New York the next day. Yesterday will be converted into the previous day or the day before. Our English teacher quizzed us yesterday. So your indirect speech will be they said that their English teacher had quizzed them the day before. Last week will be converted into the previous week or the week before. Let's see the example. We had an awful earthquake last week. Your indirect speech will be they told us they had an awful earthquake the previous week. Ago will be converted into previously or before. The letter came a few days ago. Your indirect speech will be he said that the letter had come a few days before. Tonight will be converted into that night. I'm going for a beer with Carl tonight. He said that he was going for a beer with Carl that night. So students, now it's time for some brainstorming exercise. So let's convert these direct speech into indirect speech. Your first is she said I can swim. She said I must go. She said I may drive there. She said shall we start? She said I will call you. So students, give me the answers of these exercise in the comment section below. And remember to follow the rules while changing these direct speech into indirect speech. Thank you and have a good day.